So health is 100% function of the body. And health being our greatest asset means we need to make sure the body's functioning optimally. So what controls every part, every function, every organ, cell, and tissue in your body? It's your brain. And this is the big idea. The messages from the brain have to flow through the body like a river, out those nerve roots to supply life, health, and healing to every single part of your body at 100%. Your hearts are beating, your lungs are breathing, you're digesting the food that you're eating. 70 trillion cells are living active because your brain's telling it to. So we want to make sure that all the messages from the brain get everywhere at 100% with nothing interfering with it. For instance, if someone cut your head off, what would happen? You die. If I cut the nerve root to your heart, what's going to happen? You would die as well. So is this a belief or is this a fact? It's a 100% absolute fact. This is not a theory. This is not a good idea. This is not, oh, it works for some people. It's not a, well, I'll give this a try. This is the exact law of life that controls you and allows you to even hear me right now. And so the main area we look to is the spine. And the great thing about the nervous system is the only system in your entire body that's totally encased in solid bone. You know, your brain's in your skull and your spinal cord's protected by the vertebrae of the spine. So why do you think your nervous system is the only system totally encased in solid bone? Because it's the most delicate and it's the most important. So when we look at the spine, it does a couple things. The first thing the spine does, it holds you upright, okay? And that is called your posture. Right, absolutely. So your posture is a direct correlation with your health, right? So be conscious of that posture. That's why we're correcting your spine to correct it to a proper, healthy posture. And the second thing the spine does is it protects. And there's three important areas the spine protects. The number one area is right here, protects your brainstem. Just think the Christopher Reeve bone when he broke it, when he damaged right there. The brainstem's the conductor. It controls everything in the body like a conductor. Then the two other areas are your spinal cord and the nerve roots coming out. When your spine's aligned correctly, when it has the proper posture it should be, there's no laws being broken. So the messages from the brain flow from above down, inside out, to all parts of your body at 100%, or at least at its optimal God-given health potential. But now if there's misalignments or damages, or what your doctor calls subluxation, distorting your posture, under gravity distorting even more, now we're actually crushing the spinal cord, stretching the nerve roots, and blocking off vital information from the brain and the body. Now, is that considered healthy or sick? It's considered sick. So that's why posture and the corrective care adjustments and the corrective care rehab exercises you do at home are essential for an amazing, healthy, potential body so you can live the life you're supposed to have.